Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you how you can cut a sound in CapCut. So here I'm using CapCut for PC and just going to select your video and add an audio. So I select this one, just click add to track icon here and you can adjust for the section. For example, so just click split, and in unused part you can click delete here. So here you go. This basic, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below, and you can click thanks button for appreciate. Your thanks. Bye bye.